students, you have already learned about the part of the plant that is root. Now, today we will study about the another part of the plant that is stem. The part of the plant lie above the ground is called stem. Stem of the plant has many branches that bear leaf, fruit and flowers. Plants have different kinds of stem. Different plants have different kinds of stems. For examples, trees have thick, hard and woody stem. Thick, moti, hard, sakhat, woody, lakkad wali. So the another is shrub. This is have thin, patli, woody, lakkad, moti lakkad wali stem hoti hai. Herb contains green stem. Functions of the stem. Stem holds the plant straight. Stem keep the plant upright. It carries water from roots and give it to the another parts of the plant and tip of the leaf. Stem of some plants like sugarcane, ganna, store food inside it. So another part is leaf. Leaf is the most important part of the plant as it prepares food for the whole plant. So leaf is called the food factory of the plant. I draw here a part of the leaves. I draw here a leaf. Leaf contains following parts. This is the stalk that is it is attached to the stem. Leaf is attached to the stem with this stalk. This is another part of the plant, the broad flat part. That is flat part of the leaf is called leaf blade or lamina. On the surface of leaf, many small pores are present. On the lower surface of the leaves, small pores are present that are called stomata. Plants breathe through stomata. The leaf blade is covered with many tubes. Whole leaf blade is covered with thin tubes called veins. There are two types of veins in the leaf. The main vein that is present in the center of the leaf, that is passes from the center of the leaf, is called main vein, and the many veins arise from the main vein are called side veins. Veins help the leaf in transporting water and food in the leaf. Leaf also have chlorophyll. Leaves contain chlorophyll, green pigment. Due to this pigment, it have green color. Leaf are green in color due to the presence of chlorophyll. Functions of the leaf. Leaf prepare food for the whole plant by the process of photosynthesis, by taking air, water and sunlight. Leaves help the plant to breathe through stomata. Leaf help the plant breathe through stomata. Leaf breathe through the stomata. They give out oxygen through stomata. Some plants like cabbage, spinach, palak store food in their leaves. Coriander, dhania. They are used as such in our food. Another part of the plant is flower. Flowers are colorful parts of the plant. They grow on the stem. Firstly, they appear as a bud. Flower appear as a bud on the stem. The green parts that encloses the flower, these are green leaves that encloses the flower are called sepals. These are green color are called sepals. They provide protection to the flower. Sepal store inside the flower. They give protection to the flower. The bud that changes the fully grown flower, the brightly colored parts of the flower are called petals. These are brightly colored petals. The different types of petals, that is green, yellow, red. Some flowers have sweet smelling substance. Flower contains sweet smelling. Fragrance आती है उससे. Sweet smelling substance called nectar. Nectar is the juice which attract insects. So insect attract toward the nectar and make honey inside the flower. Honey means शहद. Functions of flower. The functions of flowers are: flower produces seeds which help in reproducing new plant. Through the seeds, new flowers are produced. Some flowers of plants like broccoli, cauliflower store food in them.